So the hardest light in the entire house will always be the kitchen one because there's so much oil everywhere. Just take them down. There's bugs in there. For safety. Bond cleaners get called back if there's like bugs in there. Even a few bugs. So this one's loaded with bugs. Bug City. They want them gone. So I've got to get up on the ladder and take them out. And they're not easy to take out. You got to take out 4 screws and hold that and balance it, wash it, and then put it back without breaking it. So see, they're stuck. The kitchen light is always the dirtiest because all the grease from all the cooking, it comes up and it mists in the air, and somehow the mist goes in here and likes to collect there, and so do the bugs. Pretty smart particles. Get the grease out and it's so sticky. It's not coming off. Still coming off. Now that's barely got off any grease. You gotta be so careful because this glass could crack. This glass is very thin and there's so much stuck grease and there's not much room. I've got to keep using the degreaser on this thing. But you see the difference? Cloudy, somewhat cloudy, not cloudy, cloudy. So there's something you have to do if you're going to clean yourself. You have to get up there and spend like a million years. So that took quite some time to get the grease off. It's off. Now we've got to put the light on. You don't want to over tighten these and you don't want to have them too loose either. This is very thin glass. They say these crack just by looking at them. Face mask on, it cracks now. Glass gets in my eye. So the way I like to put these back on, so you've got 4 bolts. So these are your little bolts, don't lose them down the sink. Putting these on is very, very difficult. This glass is super thin. So the same way you'd put on a wheel on your car, you do not put 2 bolts next door to each other and tighten them up fully. That's a no-no. Put 1 bolt one side, opposite side. You can tighten it up a little bit and then do the other 2 sides, and do not tighten this up much at all. These will crack. So my goal today is to not make this crack into, but it's going to happen at some point. Just thread it on a little bit. One of them's a little bit tighter than the rest, just in case nut things do fall off. This doesn't land on someone while they're cooking. It's probably made to just like put up once, but on bottom clean you take it down because there's bugs in there and you can't vacuum the bugs out of this one like you can out of the other ones, because this one has so much oil and grease stuck inside it that when the bugs get in there they stick on there like glue.